Namaste, I am Manjula. Welcome to Manjula's kitchen. Sweet and sour bell pepper is colorful, sweet, sour and nutty. All the flavors blend into the one dish, one delicious dish, and it tastes great. You can serve this with roti, paratha or rice. This recipe will serve too. So I am ready to make sweet and sour bell pepper. Heat is on medium. I like to use the flat pan. It cooks better evenly. So I am using 2 tablespoons of oil. Oil should be moderately hot before we put the cumin seed. When we put the cumin seed, they should crack right away. So oil is ready. So you see, as you put them, they are already cooking and cracking. So lower the heat to low medium. I have here 1/4 cup of coarsely ground peanuts and 2 tablespoons of besan and 1 teaspoon of sesame seed. Rest of the sesame seed I will use it for garnishing. So stir for about a minute till the besan becomes golden brown and it has a nutty smell. Okay, this is ready. So put the bell pepper, and I am using 3 cups of bell pepper, and like you see, I have cut them in bite size, and I am using the 3 colors of bell pepper just to bring the very nice color, but you can use just one color. Stir it. Now rest of the ingredients: 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Again stir. And I am using about 1/4 cup of water. Stir and lower the heat to low medium. Cover the pan and let it cook for about 5 minutes till the bell peppers are tender but not mushy. They should still have some crispness. So this has been about 3 minutes, but looks like all the water has dried up. So I will use 1/4 more cup of water. Stir it and cover it again. Bell peppers should not be mushy, but they should be crunchy and soft. So this has been about 7 minutes, and I did stir it couple of times in between. So let's see. They are looking right. Bell pepper can never get very mushy, but they are very soft. So now we are going to add 1 teaspoon of mango powder, amchur, about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Again stir it. Now don't cover it, just cook for 2 more minutes. Sweet and sour bell pepper is ready. Sugar has caramelized a little bit, so I am just going to turn off the heat and ready to serve. Sweet and sour bell pepper is ready. Looks delicious, very colorful and very tempting. Has a nice aroma of besan. I use roasted besan in my many gravy based dish. It gives the good texture to the gravy and nice aroma. This is a tasty and very satisfying dish. I have also garnished this with some sesame seed. If you enjoy the recipe, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Enjoyed? Thank you.